PC building started in the 1940s with room-sized machines like ENIAC. No screens, just switches and wires. In 1971, Intel made the first microprocessor. Then, in 1981, IBM launched the first personal computer. It was slow, clunky, but revolutionary. Because IBM's design was open, PC clones exploded. DOS ruled. Floppy disks were king. Hobbyists started upgrading RAM and storage by hand. The 90s? Pure chaos, sound cards, GPUs, overclocking, LAN parties. Games like Doom made custom PCs a gamer's badge of honor. By the 2000s, building PCs was mainstream. LED lights, water cooling, case mods, and forums like Tom's Hardware and Overclock.net guided every step. Today, Ryzen CPUs, RTX GPUs, and SSDs pushing 7,000 megabytes per second. PCs power AI, 4K gaming, and even VR worlds. The tools? More powerful than supercomputers from the 90s. The future is modular, sustainable, even DIY laptops. Think repairable parts, liquid cooling, and AI-ready rigs in shoebox-sized cases. From soldered circuits to silicon monsters, PC building is part science, part rebellion, and all yours.